Abazili babuthane ngaphandle kwendlu yezivakashi lapho eshonele khona. Surtie-Richards owaziwa kakhulu ngokudlala indawo ephambili emidlalweni weThelevishini ifila second Generations nakwi7 Dilan wayenguthisha wasenkulisa eUppington eNorthern Cape. Usebenze cishe iminyaka ethi ayibe ngamashumi amane. Uchazwe njengomngani obethembekile engesaba ukukhuluma iqiniso futhi ezimisele emsebenzini wakhe.
I believe South Africa as a whole will remember the name Shaleen Surtie-Richards forever and a day. I believe that South Africa is in mourning at this point in time, and it is a sad moment, but also a moment to celebrate the life of Shaleen Surtie-Richards.
Abamele umndeni bathi uSurtie-Richards uke waba nenselela yezempilo kamuva nje kodwa ubesesimweni esigculisayo esasebenza. UbeseKapa lapho kade beqopha khona umdlalo weThelevishini. Bekulindeleke ukuthi athole umgomo wakhe weCovid-19 namhlanje.
From a school teacher to diving into this industry many decades ago, at the height of the political tapestry that we encountered as people of color, but she trudged on and she contributed so much amazing work, and the volume of work and the stature of work that she contributed from Fila Second that became an iconic piece for South Africa's entertainment industry to being the longest actress in Igoli over 20 years.
Kuhlelwe ukuthi inkonzo yomngcwabo ibanjwe ngeSonto eDurbanville Memorial Park.